talk about how to manage your data QVDs within QlikSense. Uh, QlikSense SaaS standard rather. So there was some limitations previously that has been addressed by Qlik now, and that I'm going to show that in here as well. How you can make a nested folder structure in QlikSense data folders. Okay, so the first thing is the best practices. You can save your data anywhere in any space in Qlik, but the best practice is to create a data space. So how you can create a data space is you have a type of data. You will not have this type. You will just have managed and shared on the front end. So you will have to come to management console, and a user who has the admin rights can create this data stream. So you can just coming here, and I'm gonna say data, and I'm going to name it as demo. Create it. So here I have, and you see there is a different logo in here. Okay, so once I do that, now I'm going to come in here, and I'm gonna see it's not here, so I just have to refresh it. So you see this has a different logo as well. So I'm just gonna select demo, and if I see there is no data in here. Okay, so I have loaded these files, these demo files, customer, employees, product, and orders. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write a store command here, and I'm going to store in. First, I'm going to store it as is. And before I go there, I'm just gonna show you the space that I just created. It's not in here yet. Let's just refresh it again. And I'm just gonna go for demo. So there is nothing in here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reload the data. So that is the second thing I'm gonna. Okay, so what's the error? Okay, demo dot data files. It should work. Okay, so yeah, so this is a format so that you can refer it. It's going to be stored in data files in demo. Okay, so storing products in there. Let's do that again. Cannot open the file. Native path. Oh, sorry, my bad. It has to be backslash, a forward slash, not the backslash. Okay, here we go. So it runs successfully, and now if I just refresh this one, I have this product table in here. This QVD called products is in here. Okay, so now at times what you have to do is, for example, I say that okay, this is fine, but uh, I want to store orders table in a subfolder rather than in the main folder. So it might make sense for us to store data in different folders. So I'm gonna say orders. So what you just have to do is you have no option to create a subfolder in this particular space in data space. But if you write like this, so let's see what happens. So if I go in here now, and you see the orders table is in here, and if I just hover on it, so you will see the source is transaction.order, so it has automatically created the path. And Now if I click in this data files and if I want to add them, you see the path is in there. So it can be a good way to manage your data in subfolders, though you cannot directly create them, but you can create using your path. So within the store that automatically creates your path. So that's it.